How/where do you install Console2 on Windows 7? I downloaded the source and binaries from this URL. In the binaries help file it makes reference to a setup file, but there is none. The list of files included in the Console2.oov145 beta.zip is Microsoft.vc90.crt, folder, Console.chm, Console.x, Console.xml, ConsoleHook.dll, FreeImage.dll, FreeImagePlus.dll. How do I set up or place the files for Console2 on Windows 7?
Here's what I did. Download Console2 from SourceForge, get _32bit.zip or _64bit.zip version depending on your OS. Download Console2 src just to get the eco file. Copy the Console2 folder to C:\program files. Copy console.eco file from the console source downloads to the folder above. Open Console2 and edit your settings for font, or better read Scott Hanselman's blog post on his Console2 setup. To add a context menu that will open Console2 on a specific directory, update the registry as follows: Windows 7. The first registry entry for HKCR adds a Open Console2 here context menu item when you are clicking on a folder. The second registry entry for HKLM adds a Open Console2 here context menu item when you are in a folder and clicking the background.
I have Console2 running on Windows 7 64-bit and resolved it much easier. While having the C drive for programs, I use the D drive for tools and other data. Installation path, d:\tools\console2. Now you just have to edit your system variable path and add the installation path to it. Key, path, value, other paths, d:\tools\console2, no semicolon required at the end. Now you can just type console, since the file name is console.exe, to the run command, Windows+R, and Console2 will start right away. Tip: in combination with Total Commander, you can just toggle the command bar. So when you place yourself on a specific path and just start typing console, it will start Console2 with that specific path. That avoids thousands of cd commands to get where you want to.
Use Chocolately, perform its installation as stated on its homepage. Then, after it's installed, run.